I'm going to show you how to add welcome bot to your Discord server. So once you're inside Discord, guys, all you have to do is simply click where you have the server that you would like to add that in. And on the upper right hand side, beside the Discord server name here on the left hand side, click this little drop down here and go to this app directory. Now from here, use a search and you want to type in probot. You can type it in one word. And once you type that in, go ahead and do a search option here, and you'll find this one in the list that says probot with the little star like there. You want to go ahead and click on that, and from here you want to click and add app on the right hand side. Go ahead, you can say trust here and click and go ahead and say visit site, and it's going to take you over to this page here where you go ahead and just simple click and continue. You can go ahead and select your server. From here, as you can see, I select my Discord server. So if you have multiple servers, you want to go ahead and click and select the right server that you want to add and just simply click and continue. You'll see what you're actually getting there as well. Go ahead and click and authorize. Then you will see that I'm human. Just go ahead and ensure that you check that, guys. And once this is done process, you will see all of those good stuff. What it's going to do is going to redirect you over to your Discord, and what you will see now is that probot, that app that you've added. Now if you look here, guys, if you scroll down on the left hand side, you will see that it actually gives you the option that says welcome and goodbye. So this is the bot that will actually give the welcome message when you add new users and so forth to your Discord. So you can click on it, guys, and from here you will be able to see where it says send a message when a user joins the server. You want to click and toggle it on, and if you scroll here, you can go ahead and you can add the message here as well. So here you will have the variables that you can add. So if you wanted to mention user, you can go ahead and you can do that. If you want to do it for the username, you can do that as well. So you can have something like welcome. You can go ahead and you can choose if you want to have the username or the user. You can choose that. So let's say I would like to use a user. I can just copy that, put that in, and then you can just basically say something like nice to have you in the community or something like that, right? So let's say this is what I want to use. So you want to ensure that you use this, and you can even use things such as the server name and all of those good stuff, right? Keep in mind that if you don't have premium, you want to just go ahead and choose the free ones, or if you have premium, you can go ahead and just use whatever. But once you do that, you can choose. Now here on the right hand side, guys, you see it says send, and you can send as DM, or you can do send to channel. I recommend that you can choose that. Now if you choose the option to send to a channel, then you want to ensure that you select the channel name. So if you want to choose a channel name, for example, I have one create called gaming, I can go ahead and I can select the gaming and so forth. And that's all that you really have to do, guys. Just go ahead and click on save changes. Once you click and save the changes, then you really don't have to do anything more. You can just go ahead and just exit out of this, and you can just simply close the window, right? So you can close this window because you really wouldn't need that. And once you go ahead and add a new friend, this is going to basically be available within your Discord, and you just need to go ahead and add new friends, and you will see that it's actually working. Now I have one friend here, but trust me, guys, it actually works. You can invite friend to channels, and once you do that, you'll be able to basically add them. So if you invite someone to Discord, so as you can see, I have someone that I've invited already. So let's say I invite this person, you can go ahead and you can send the invite, and once the person accepts, they'll be able to accept it, and once they accept that, then it should show the welcome message. So once you go ahead and add that person into your Discord, guys, all you have to do is just either search for the username or invite them or send them an invitation link. And once they are added, once they've accepted, it's going to welcome them with the message that you've created. And as you can see right here, it's already even showing that it is using the bot. So once it detects that there's a new user added, it will use the welcome message that you actually added there. And that's it, guys. It is super easy, and I found it very professional and change things and make it look really professional. So that's it, guys. That's all to go ahead and add a welcome bot to your Discord on Discord. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.